All right, hammer, sledgehammer, crowbar, gloves. That can only mean one thing. It's time to tear something up. The project now is taking the cap rail, the top rail off this deck, which has seen better days and all of its squiggliness. I don't think I can fix this rail because it's composite. It's really hard, and it's gone crooked over years of time, and unfortunately I can't straighten it. So I'm gonna have to rip it off and rebuild it. I'm also rebuilding the faceplate of the deck, which is, can't see it, but it's a long board that goes all the way across the front. They use the 2x6. I'm going to use the 2x8 because it's more structure. And these vertical supports are attached to that. That's all they're attached to, is that front plate. And right now it's a 2x6. A 2x6 is holding up all the structure of this thing all the way across. So I'm going to go 2x8 and we'll screw everything in instead of nail it, and get all these things straight and level. Here we go.